Hello, 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 everybody. Hi, everybody. So, as you guys can see, today's video is all about it's WOW, Women of Worth Wednesdays. This is going to be our Wednesday series right here on YouTube. If you guys are new with us, you guys, my name is Angela. I am the founder of Game Ministry and also the founder of GAFCU, which is an attachment to our ministry. As we JSCU is all about taking different Bible study classes or techniques. Everything is free. We will be doing donations and things later that will be available, but the main thing is everything is free, and we try to provide as much as we can for free, just so that we can fellowship together and enjoy a good time, studying God's word together within a secure and safe environment right here on, online. So we want to make sure that everything is covered to the best of our ability. And so here on on YouTube, we don't want to forget our YouTube family. On Wednesdays, it's going to be called Women of Worth series, our Wow Wednesdays. And these are going to be over topical discussions. Now, because we are branching off and putting all our Bible studies and things like that in one particular area, which is on Google Classroom, and then they have their own private Facebook group, and all these things pertaining specifically for that. That leaves YouTube for us to kind of make things a little bit in a simple form, meaning we're going to focus on annotating, which everybody loves so much. Annotating, then we're going to do Wednesdays, topical Wednesdays, and then our on Mondays is going to be all about our miracle mornings. As we take on that journey, we'll talk about other things over there as well on Mondays, but I wanted to get more of a structural way right here on YouTube as we continue our ministry makeover. So Wednesdays is again going to be called Wow Wednesdays, Women of Worth series, topical discussions and studies. So it says, greetings, ambassadors. Hello, hello, hello. My name is Angela. I am the founder of Game Ministry. Wednesday's videos are going to be amazing. We will be having topical discussions that will empower women, elevate women, help women heal. And through these discussions, discover what God says about these topics and how we should handle them. Because sometimes we get so stuck, you guys, on what everybody else is saying and not focusing on what God is saying. Some of the topics of discussion can be communication, meditation, strongholds, forgiveness, patience, accountability, purpose, discipleship, anxiety, God's love, singleness, celibacy, depression, joy, your alabaster box, your worth, trusting God, parenting, self control, obedience, and so many other things. So many other things. And this is not in no particular order that they will be discussed right here on YouTube. This just gives you a general idea of what we will be discussing over, on Wednesdays. So these discussions will vary as God leads the order we should discuss. We are so excited about this journey because we are not alone on some things we are dealing with, and we want to keep you encouraged. We will discover what God has to say about these topics and how we should deal with them. Again, we focus in so much on what other people say, but we want to zoom in and focus on what does God say about these things. How are we supposed to handle it? Does God tell us, the ins and outs of how we should deal with it? Not saying that there's anything wrong with seeking help, through therapy and anything like that, because I am not a licensed therapist, but with that, I do like diving into what God says about certain things. And one of the first topics is going to be about communication. And the reason why I picked communication, because that is something that we're dealing with right in the household. When you live with People, whether it's just you and your spouse, you and your children, communication comes up a lot, your gestures, how you feel, and all these things. And I say, you know what, I want to look up and see what God says specifically about communication and things like that. And oh my gosh, I found so much greatness that I wanted to share with you guys. And it's going to be the same thing about depression, anxiety, whatever it is that, God leads me to discuss with you guys. And I just hope that through my personal stories, through what God shares with us, that something is said and done that's going to help you and also draw you closer to God. All right. So this is again a quick intro to Wednesdays. So our first Wow Wednesday is going to launch. It is going to be on June 15th. So today is June 8th, which is when the intro goes up for you guys. So June 8th is the day that you'll see this. And then the following Wednesday will be June 15th, and our first topic is going to be communication. Okay, so what would you like us to discuss on Wednesdays? Comment below your ideas, your topic ideas. And you guys flood our comments down below with different things that you would like me to talk about or to look into. Again, I am only 36 years old, so I haven't gone through everything, but you know what? I can definitely dig it up and try to find some great what is suggested to help as far as scriptures, meditations, or different things like that. Again, I'm not a licensed therapist, but you know what is there is nothing wrong with a little girl talk or just talk in general, because our Facebook family is not all women, right? We have women and men. So just to have these topical discussions, and just to get everybody's viewpoints, but most importantly, what God says about these topics and how we should handle them through the scriptures. That is our main focus here. So drop them down below. Drop them down below, your topics of discussion, things that you would like me to talk about, and we will get those written down. And who knows, your topic may be the next topic that we talk about. If you guys are new with us, you guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and join our game family. If you guys would like more information about our Facebook group or GAFCU, look in the description box. All the links are there for you to get in contact with us. Again, you guys, we look forward to starting these topical discussions. And if nothing else, you guys have a blessed, blessed Wednesday. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.